marching to the beat. Everyone's invited, come and play. It's the animal boogie parade today. Here comes the lion, big and proud, shaking his mane, he roars so loud. What does the lion do? What does the lion do? Yeah, boogie, boogie, clap your hands, dance like the animals all across the land. Boogie, boogie, stomp your feet, join the parade, feel the beat. Look at the elephant swing side to side, swinging his trunk, he's got so much pride. What does the elephant do? What does the elephant do? Boogie, boogie, clap your hands, dance like the animals all across the land. Boogie, boogie, stomp your feet, join the parade, feel the beat. Here comes the monkey jumping so high, swinging on the trees as he waves goodbye. What does the monkey do? What does the monkey do? Here comes the monkey jumping so high, swinging on the trees as he waves goodbye. Can you roar like a lion, swish like an elephant, jump like a monkey, let's all chant. There is a kangaroo hopping along, bouncing to the rhythm of the boogie song. What does the kangaroo do? What does the kangaroo do? Boogie, boogie, clap your hands, dance like the animals all across the land. Boogie, boogie, stop.